Bitch, you ain't on flick, so get out me car. Bye. Hey.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the picture, right?
Let me see.
Okay. But bitch, don't like anything.
Let me see.
Don't like, bitch, if you
Let me see.
press.
Eat my ass and suck on my booty hole. Eat my ass and suck on my booty hole.
Sophia Damon!
Ow! Oh shit! Bitch, you look sick! Ha! Bitch! A burnt potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse the
We in this beach, finna get crunk. Abraz on fleek, the fuck?
Auschwitz.
The fuck is Auschwitz?
The concentration camp.
Fuck you, Vanessa. I'm black. I was picking cotton, not doing it.
Okay, love, I'm eating ice cream! That's what I mean! Popcorn!
It's like snowing pussy willows. Okay, don't say that one more time. You sound really stupid. Well, it is.
Shut up.
Okay. Bitch, guess what?
Darling, darling. Hello? Wait a minute. Is this the Obama? What the hell?
Hey, bitch. How are you?
Doing the shit.
I'm washing me in my
She drunk
clothes,
as fuck,
bitch. I'm washing me in my
Bitch, you a badass, busted ass, disgusting ass shit show. That's right.
Mom,
What?
I peeing on myself. Better not. You will.
The avocado. Guacamole. Guacamole.
Why is there a report card on the ceiling? You said bring my grades up. I did see that. Let me see.
Slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Reggie's saying it to this troll bear. Forget that. Give me your fucking money!
I'm sure it said place on head. Okay. Mom, did I do it right? What the fuck?
I hate my mom telling me to go to bed.
Shut the fuck up.
Fuck you, fuck you.
Stop. That's not funny.
Fuck you.
Don't say it again. Do you have passing?
Man, around here in these streets, man, okay, what the fuck? I'm playing. Okay.
Every time I hear it's yuck, 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 bow down. Where you're from, nigga?
I'll kill you. I'm not even worried about it.
Chicken.
It's 4th of July. I'm ready to pop these firecrackers. Don't pop them on me. What the police say?
I know the police right there.
Did you hang out with Beth last night?
You know, yeah, I did.
Oh, I love Beth.
You hate Beth.
Yeah, no shit, honey.
Boy, that hoe's clean! Boy, you stunk! Boy.
Smack Cam.
Bitch, I hope the fuck you do. You'll be a dead son of a bitch, I tell you that.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. The cable turned off. Shut that suck that nigga dick for furry. Oh my god. The lights off.
Have anybody ever tell you look like Beyonce?
Nah, they usually tell me I look like Shalissa.
Who the fuck is that?
Me.
Oh my god. The cable turned off. You should have sucked that nigga dick for furry. Should have sucked that nigga dick for furry. Oh my god. The lights off.
Look. Oh my god.
Thanks, Obama.
Miss Keisha. Oh my fucking god, she fucking dead.
You ready to fucking die?
No, yeah, I'm a bad bitch. You can't kill me.
How do you know if you're gay? Why does my penis grow in the morning?
Why don't I have a penis?
Everybody say pussy and keep it going. Hey, I just got home from getting some pussy. That's your man.
Relax, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to sneeze.
Well, welcome to the hood.
The animal. 2 shots of vodka.
You like Mike Chester? What are we thinking about his hat?
Come on, that's exactly why I didn't want to tell you.
Oh my gosh, Susan, we ran out of butter. Oh no, we better find some more.
You get the limo out front. Hottest styles, every shoe, every.
Caught ya! Pass the notes. Vaughn, read it to the whole class or you're going to detention. Why Miss Johnson titty on the floor? Oops.
You don't need to wear makeup. Like, I don't have to wipe my ass either, but it is like a preference of mine.
I've been so selfish because I love you so much. And I know how much you love me.
She have talked to me, and he have talked to show.
The day is coming up, you must be personally.
How did he die?
I don't know, but I know someone who can find out.
You don't mean
Yes, we need blue.
It's damn right.
What? Don't be
Don't
fucking
do that.
rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God, don't be fucking rude.
I was wondering if you want to go out? Yeah. Where are you going? Out. Farther away from you, the better.
Have you plowed the fields yet, Jedediah? Well, no, Dad, No fishing for a month! A month?
You don't like the Christmas gift? Oh, it's not your color of Lamborghini? Well, shove it up your fucking ass!
Now, what would you like for Christmas?
And why do you want to work at T-Mobile? I just feel like it's my calling. You're hired.